Yo guys, I hope you're doing great and welcome to the El Sombre Show. For today's video, we're going to see two separate videos I did recently. For the first one, it's with the model Sylvie, and the second one is a collaboration between me and Matthew, the photographer, and two models, Shari and Lani. For the photo shoot with Sylvie, we had two different looks we wanted to create. A bright pink fashion look and a dark gothic look. So yeah, let's jump into the photo shoot with Sylvie.
No está, Juditera mitad, Juditera no está.
Hi, I'm Sylvie, and we're currently shooting at an abandoned location together with Sombra Visuals.
Before we jump to the next photo shoot, that is the collaboration with Matthew, the photographer, I would like to explain a bit of the struggles and the complications I had with my camera. The first problem I've encountered was that the camera changed settings and the screen showed an automatic exposure. So when I went to the gallery to see the photos I've took, it showed mostly all of them were overexposed, so it didn't show the correct exposure on the screen. And because of that, I wasn't sure what exposure I had or anything, so I was quite confused, and almost all of my pictures were overexposed. But good thing I shot in RAW, and in post-production I could have fixed the problem by lowering the exposure and tweaking the curves a bit. So I will show you guys later the before and after of the images. And the second problem I've encountered was due to the first one. Due to the camera screen, I tried to fix it quickly with resetting the whole camera, but I forgot due to the resetting of the whole camera, I would change the quality of the image to format JPEG. So the last few minutes of the photo shoot at the sunset was in JPEG. So I'll show you guys later how I work with it in editing and didn't do so much to damage the quality. But yes, that's the two problems I've encountered. So the screen didn't work completely well and shot in JPEG the second half of the photo shoot. Let's go towards the photo shoot and see what happened. It was quite a fun one in either way. See ya. quick before and after look to showcase you the power of RAW and how it holds the information. I would have never recovered this image if I shot it in JPEG, but I would never recommend you shooting this overexposed. It only happened to me due to the screen malfunction I had while I was photo shooting. And just a heads up, my next YouTube video will be an in-depth video on how I actually managed to edit the image to recover the information. This is another quick before and after look. Here I only edited the JPEG file by using one of my presets. This preset will be available in a link down below. It will also be available for your phone. If you use this preset, please tag me at SombreVisual and use the hashtag #AsVayPreset so I can see your photos.